Here is how to put one of your favorite playlists or favorite videos onto your desktop of your smartboard. All right, so shrink your board down so that it's not taking up all of the room. This is the channel to work with. This playlist list is beyond phenomenal. All right, so go up here where it says a little arrow. That's going to mean to share it. Press it. And then here it's going to say copy link. Press copy link. Now, this is why you shrunk it down, so that you could press the board, finger off. Here we go. It's going to say new. Press new. Press new shortcut. Boom. Now, it says type the location, so it's online. So all you have to do is press until you get this little square. You have to pick up your finger to help get the square. It says paste. Here's your link. Go down to the bottom. It says next. Boom. Finish. Type a name for it. And so you could just, type a name in here, such as Phenomenal Channel Playlist to help my kids. And click finish. And then you will have a new internet shortcut. Now, if you don't know what to name it, or you want to change what the name is, I bet you could change it by pressing, and then it says down here, rename. So you would press rename, and you can just type in the name that you would like to type. And that is as easy as it goes.